Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with a 14 by 14 inch canvas that I used some very dark purple paint on that used to be $6.99 and it's now $11.99, so wait for every other week and talk to your cashier at Hobby Lobby to find out when the price goes down. I'm going to swipe this out, and I have a cloth right here, and I've never used a shiny primed canvas before, and I really want to know what it's going to be like. I think I'm going to take my colors, and I'm not going to worry about putting them in any conventional location or even joining them up. But I'm very inclined to use too much paint for most things. But this is a good experiment, one I've wanted to make, and while nobody's watching, which is basically the case recently, except for you guys who love me, I figure it's a good time to try. And I put that white down there basically because I want to be able to have this neon from Folk Art show up. Maybe everywhere. Which means I'll have to put a little more white down. I also thought that this would be kind of a zing. Whoa, I got love bugs landing all over me, so pardon me if I get a little a little nervy. I think I want some orange in there too, along with my gold and my white. Now this is on an angle which is even stranger, but I guess we'll find out what happens with our experiment when we find out together. I think one more pink color. Yes, that is, I believe, an Art Minds. It's like Purple Punch or whatever. You'll recognize it when you get there. Just pick the color you like. Alright, so I've almost lost all of my purple canvas, but because I have purple canvas, my idea is that I don't have to use much of a swipe color. And I kind of like my swipe color to be either no color at all or gold. And I also like this turquoise. Yep, she's gone and done it now. She filled her up. Oh well, never mind. And we're going to get some color changes. The only thing I think I'm missing is the green gold, and I'm not sure if I want that or not. It does kind of take over sometimes. Actually, it's not the only color I'm missing, but it's the color I want in here, so let's use a little bit of it. It probably won't even show up, but on the off chance that it will, let's just do that. Alright, so I'm doing this because it doesn't take much time, and we have a long enough cloth. I think I'm just going to wave all over the place. The cloth is damp. I have paint on the edges, but I'm not sure I need it, other than to come down here and continue that over. I can cover my edges if I want to. That's just pretty. I'm not getting a lot of cells popping, but I haven't used a skewer or anything in there. It's more like a big rainbow wave than anything. And I'm hoping that white will protect that, that neon from Folk Art. See, I've got plenty of paint left on my rag, which I think I will use in this one spot. It's probably not necessary, but otherwise I'm going to be washing it off, and I kind of hate doing that. So that's cool. Now we're going to torch and call it good. So if you guys want to help me out, shop my Amazon link. It's more of a help than anything to give me a thumbs up, or at least it used to be before things went sideways. I have clothing I designed under the video. There's some awesome leggings and all over design t-shirts and stuff. So this is kind of simple, but I like it. And I don't mind having the background painted except for that little gold spot that's kind of driving me nuts. I could probably add a little gold right there and probably feel better about it. Let's do that. Let's take my gold. Come out. Thank you. And a skewer. So look under the video for paint pouring recipe, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. If you're looking for Facebook groups to be in, there's Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors for fans and collectors. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard saying, hey, the longer you watch, the more likely I am to be able to stay here and do this for you. And there's a contest running on the end screens every month. If you look for the video that's an exhibition video, you will find whatever I'm offering as a drawing prize for whoever contributes. In any case, I love you guys. There's over 80,000 of you. Not that any of you are actually watching, because it looks like there's only a few hundred a day, but those of you who are, I love you dearly, and thank you so much for watching. And keep watching, please, and look on the end screens. If you haven't noticed, I've got 840 videos, and they're organized on my channel header by hundreds and by lists of topics. So I don't use any GAC 800 in my paint, and the cells are naturally forming from using Deco Art pouring medium with Floetrol. That was a thing that does not belong. It looks like we're getting some really cute little cells here and there and there and there. And all of that is pretty much a combination of folk art, color shifts, and Art Minds, iridescence and color shifts. And you can find those in Michael's and Hobby Lobby and sometimes Walmart too. So you guys take care, and I will see you soon. And it looks like you are still here. Good. Not that much time has gone by. That was a quickie. Quickies are good sometimes. I said I love you, so I'm going to say goodbye now. Priscilla in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery out. See you soon. Watch some videos. Maybe binge a little. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I do sell my art, and I give classes at the house in Spring Hill. Yeah, I don't know why I forgot that. All right, bye now. Love you.